Welcome to KDSV Knowledge Studio. Get ready to level up your tech knowledge with easy-to-follow tutorials, smart tips, and powerful tools for success.
Hello everyone, welcome to KDSV Knowledge Studio. This video is specifically designed for beginners who wants to start using the Money Manager EX on Android. I will walk you through the complete installation process from downloading the app to setting up the first time. By end of this video, you will be ready to manage all your expenses from the mobile. Let's begin. Go to your Android device, open the Play Store and go to search for Money Manager EX. And you will find Android Money Manager EX, Wolf Solver. Click install. Wait for some time to install them. It successfully downloaded. It is started installing. Yeah, now installation is completed. Click open. When you click open, you will get the welcome screen. And this may not required, just you can hit close. And it will ask you to select some default languages and themes. I'm going to keep it as a default and go to the general, back. This is the first screens. You will have two options where you can open the database which you are already using it in the desktop version, or if you don't have desktop version used till date, you can create brand new database. Today I'm going to focus on how to use the Money Manager EX database that is common for your desktop application and the Android application. So now the installation done and we could see the welcome screen. And if we go back to the folder where I have already Money Manager EX database, I have copied my demo database in my Google Drive, so that whenever I am using desktop application, I can launch my desktop application, I can open the existing database, I can navigate to the same Google Drive location and start using them. And since this database is copied into your Google Drive, you can start accessing the same database in the Android application as well. Okay, let me close for now, and I'm going to click open from the Android application, open database from Android application. This will bring up for me the last access location, since I'm using this every day, and it shows my last access location. Let me go back. I don't want to use the live database. I'm going back and go to the demo location, and this is the MMEX demo DB underscore YouTube was the one which I tried to access in the desktop application. I'm going to tap the same option and it will ask you the password. It's an optional password. If your DB is encrypted, then you need to enter. If your DB is not encrypted, you do not require to enter them. Just click OK. The moment you click OK, your same database will be open in the Money Manager application. And as usual, you can go and add any transaction what you want and click OK. You need to enter the amount, let's say 62, and now everything is set up and your database also able to open in the your Money Manager Android application. Very important things what you need to do. You need to sync this to your Google Drive once again. So you can go to click the three dot and you have an option as Synchronize. If you click Synchronize, this message will come. This will automatically upload your current changed version into the Google Drive. And if you look at, it's immediately synced. The current date, the time is 38, just a minute back it is uploaded. And if you want to, and another option, if you go to the general settings and you have different settings for the synchronization. So typically what I used, each time when I start the Android application, open the Android application, it will automatically try to synchronize them. Also, you can set, if you want, you can set synchronize automatically every 10 minutes. And if you are a heavy user in the Android application, you can continue use, and you can enable the sync on startup, so that each time you start up, it will copy the database back to your Google Drive, or every time you are exiting the application, you can manually go and do a synchronize. But you should be very careful when you are frequently using from mobile application as well as the desktop application. You need to make sure that the sync happens correctly. If there is any sync conflict, Android application will show the sync conflict message, and still that functionality is in the development, so I won't suggest you to use it for now. But later, once it is available, maybe I can make one more video how to deal with the synchronization conflict. Thank you so much for continuing watching my YouTube channel, KDSV Knowledge Studio. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and families. Thank you.